Hello and good morning, guys. This is your host and host Sazad Darsi, and you have started watching Sazad Darsi YouTube channel. Guys, as I promised that I will be covering SEO from basic to advanced. I will be covering everything that is included in SEO that will make you SEO pro, so that you can do SEO of your website or of your client website. So, uh, if you haven't watched my Google 200 ranking factors, you can watch that in the SEO series. And I have covered the part 1 of SEO series that includes what is included in SEO. But today is the part 2 of the SEO series, and today I'm going to share with you what is included or what are the expectations or I will be covering in SEO series. Okay, guys, let's begin. Guys, in the SEO series I will be covering this. As you can see, I am in my Gmail dashboard, Gmail dashboard, and you can see I have segregated all the topics that I will be covering in the coming days one by one. These all are SEO checklist that I will be covering one by one. Okay, as let's we will be covering the foundation, because foundation is very important in SEO. What we will be covering in the foundation series: in the foundation we will cover about checkup and setup Google Analytics, checkup and setup Google Search Console, install SEO Solutions. SEO Solutions is your SEO plugin. I will be covering an in-depth tutorial about what you call Yoast and Rank Math. Basically, two Rank and Yoast. I will be covering this SEO plugins in depth. Uptime monitor, I will be covering that also. We'll cover check that your website or your startup company has about us, contact us, privacy policy and terms of service page, and if you don't, then how it looks. Okay, next we will cover setup keyword rank tracking. Okay, this is very important because you want to know where are you ranking in search engine like Google. Okay, then next we will cover about user experience, where we will check about permalinks, which is very essential. Mobile friendly, that is the need of the hour, and it is very important, and it's also the ranking factor. Okay, your site should be mobile friendly. Your site should load fast, under 3 seconds. That is Google guidelines that your site should load under 3 seconds. Keep your URL short. Yeah, then we will optimize if your site has any 404 error or 404 broken link. Then we will fix that. How we can fix that, we will cover that. We'll cover that how we can make it easier to share the content for your end user. Okay, we'll claim brand multiple social. We'll we will claim the brand which you want to known for across the other social media network. Okay, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. etc. We will use heat map and see how the end user interact with our website. Next up, we will be covering about performance. Okay, in the performance section we will see what are the top for performing web hosting and which one you should use or choose. And then next we will cover where is the server location, and why you should choose server location that should be near to your target country. Okay, we will cover about CDN, we will cover about gzip compression. Next we will cover about HTTP. Okay, we'll cover about caching solution, how you can minify CSS and GS file. We'll cover about resize large image and upload them. We'll cover about optimizing images. We'll cover about lazy load images and iframes. Okay, that is useful for YouTube embeds. Updated technologies, optimize how we can optimize the database. We will cover them. Next up, we will cover about in technical SEO section. We will cover about check for HTTPS, whether your site is secure or not, because it is also ranking factor. Check whether you have single www or without www version, and your site should load either with www or without www. Your site should not open with both. Your site should open only with either with www or without www. Okay, we'll cover about mixed content. If your site has mixed content, we'll cover about sitemap and whether you have or not, and how we can submit it to through search console. Okay, we'll cover about robot.txt file. We'll cover about that uh, about canonical error here. Next we will cover about fixed broken links, then we'll cover about redirect chains, and next we will cover about fixed missing and duplicate meta titles and description. Okay, this is also very important ranking factor in SEO. We'll cover about next we will cover about user redirect properly. Okay, next we will cover about index coverage issues for manual penalties. Next we'll cover keep pages at maximum 3 clicks from reach. Okay, next we'll cover about no index and no follow, disable irrelevant pages to be indexed from search engine. Next we will cover out in the content section, we will cover out have a solid SEO content study, keyword research, long form content, 10x content, identify and fix keyword cannibalization, duplicate content, content hubs, feeds, update content, add content to your categories, eat another ranking factor. Next in the on page section we will cover about uh, right for people, not for search engine. Okay, target matches your intent, target in the URL and heading, focus keyword in first paragraphs, H1 single H1, enticing yet SEO oriented meta title, write a compelling meta description, write a subheading for content hierarchy, format and style the content properly, link to relevant inner pages, link to other authority sites, never link to pages website with the same anchor or current targeting. Okay, next we will cover about image properly, name your image like image alt tag, yeah, social markup. We will cover about dwell time and optimize it, strike for feature snippet, that is very important. You strike for feature snippet. Off page we will cover about link building and all, and in the local SEO section, off page is basically about link building, guest post, and what you call networking opportunities. We will cover about that in depth in SEO. In the local SEO, I will cover about Google My Business, Yelp listing, or local directories, and how you can rank locally. And we will cover about name, address, and phone numbers, and that should be same across all the local directories. So I hope we have set the intention expectations correctly, and you can see we are in 104. If you eliminate these all things, I will be it will be around 90 videos or series of this only. Okay, SEO checklist, it will be around 90 videos, and remaining I think we will have more than 100 videos in the SEO series. So if you want to learn SEO in depth, then you can definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel and put that bell notification to all, so that you get the latest notification whenever we are going live or whenever I'm putting any videos. So I hope you like this video. Please spread it in your community, whomsoever you think this video might help, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified once I put SEO content or SEO videos in my YouTube channel. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the another exciting video. See you in the part 3 of SEO series. Bye, take care.